As I'm getting older, chip upon my shoulder, rolling through life to roll over and die. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la.
Hi, will you be needing any headphones?
Oh, yeah, actually, I forgot mine.
All right. 65 bucks.
65 bucks? Don't you have those $5 earbuds?
No, those seem crappy to me.
Oh, well, no thanks.
Are you sure? They're regular 200.
What? People on airplanes spend $200 for headphones?
I honestly have no idea. I can't get someone to pay 65 for these, which is nuts because they're barely used.
Are you trying to sell me your headphones?
Yeah, but not my good ones.
Does your boss know you're doing this?
I don't see why he'd care. He's pretty busy managing an old Navy.
So, you don't even work here?
No? Why, do I look like I work here?
Yeah.
Thanks. Is it the vest?
Yeah, and the tie.
Huh. Guess I could see the tie go for about 25 bucks.
Okay, yeah, actually, I'll take it. My boyfriend would love it.
Okay, thanks. I'll keep the change.
So this isn't actually a drink card?
It was. I bought it off the flight attendant for 100 bucks. So no on the headphones then?
No. Use some water.
Suit yourself.
Tomato juice would be nice. No?
I remember the night like it was morning. Cat out of line, the vision rewinds.